Hi my friends, today we model this part, which is a sheet metal part, of course, and it has some pretty interesting features. For instance, this connection between the two ends of the part. You can see the unfolded part, which is this, and you go back very easily. Of course, this is the drawing with all dimensions, so we have to start. New sheet metal part, new sketch, XY plane. We start with this feature, radius 37, 56, 116, 30, and radius 3. Let's do this. Circle, radius 37, then a line from this very point down. Press the left button and go to the left. Left, down, and somewhere at 116. We project the y-axis, which is construction, and mirror all these 1, 2, 3, 4 entities about that projected axis. Apply. We place its end to this line. Then other dimensions, 56 is this, 30 here, and radius 3. Trim of this. Finish sketch. Face. Okay, now we see that the thickness is 3. To modify the default thickness, which is 0.5, we uncheck this option and we write here 3. Okay. Next is a flange with this edge at 100. It was this face. Then we create a flange on this edge. You see this dimension is 116 and it starts from here, 27. We know that this is 3, the thickness, and the distance between this point and this is also 3, the internal radius. So we have 21 here. We can subtract twice the thickness to obtain that dimension. Let's do this. Flange, this edge 1/16, and now we have to consider this line. We select offset, and we have 5 millimeters offset 1, 5 millimeters offset 2. Offset 1 is this, measured from here, and offset 2 is here. We place here 0 because we want to have the same level here, and the other is 27, the dimension in the drawing, minus twice multiplied with a parameter. The parameter is weighting. List parameters. Yes, the parameter is thickness. I told you, this is the thickness, and this, the distance between this face and this line, is equal to the thickness. Okay. You have to keep in mind that we are working with Inventor 2025, and this version has a number of new features compared to the 2019 version. We continue with this flange, which has this line of bend, placed at 21 distance from the start point of that flange. 21 minus, again, thickness and the radius, which means 15. Yes? Let's do this. Flange, this edge, offset 0 is here at this end, and 21 minus twice of the thickness is here. Okay, now we turn the part and we select this face for a new sketch. We project some lines, this, and a circle, then F7. You see, we want to cut all this area. Finish sketch, cut this. Okay. Now we want to create this combination of cuts. You see, this distance from this face to this face is 30. Take a look here. 30. If we use that dimension for the new flange, we have to subtract the thickness of this second feature. So let's do this. This is the face, and I just written here 30 minus thickness. Okay, but this is not acceptable. What is this? We have a loop with this. We have to create a gap between the two. So I double click on this and I subtract minus 0.1. This is enough. Okay. You see, there is a small gap and they are not connected. Good. Now we want to create this cut, which is this one. Yes. In this feature, we have dimensions here. You see, 15.1 is this one, and 3.1, which means thickness plus 0.1, is this one. I use the parameter thickness because you can change the thickness and you ruin the part if you do this without taking care of details. I select this face, I draw a rectangle, I place this dimension as 15 plus 0.1. I want to place an expression also here, and thickness plus 0.1, thickness plus 0.1 for the other side. Finish sketch and cut. Okay, the cut was created to this face, not outside of it, like say extrusion. Now I want to create a new protrusion here to cover this distance. I do this by applying extrusion, my friends, not face, not other combination. F7. I want to see that this line is on this, not 0.1. F7 again. You see there is a gap between this and this. You see. Good. And what is the distance? The distance of the rectangle is 15. Yes. We also have here a small distance. Finish sketch, and you don't see here any extrusion because you have to go to 3D model. This is not a sheet metal tool. This is an external tool. And we select the profile. This is the profile. And we place the distance of the thickness. You see? Okay. Now we have that interesting combination of features. Next are these two cuts. One 2. Dimensions 52 on 6, 42 on 48, and 36. Let's do this. This is the face. I don't want to have X to down, but to the right. This is a rectangle, and this is another one. Dimensions, as I said, 52, 6, 42, 48, and 36 between these two lines. 36. Finish sketch. Cut. I go back to the sheet metal tools. Cut this and this. Okay. We continue with this feature, which has the height of 44 plus 16, and this dimension is twice of 16, or a distance of 52 minus 12 of 16 to have this offset. Let's do this. Flange this edge, offset this is 0, and the other is that expression 52 minus 12 of 16. Dimensions in the drawing, my friends. We don't invent dimensions. Oh, I forgot the height. No problem. Double click, and this distance is 44 plus 16. Okay. Now we apply a corner round with radius 16, but also undimensioned corner rounds radius 3. There are many here. Let's do this. Corner round, these two edges with 16. Apply. Then radius 3 for this selection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, okay. There is a hole of 16. We place it on this face. Sketch, finish, hole, this center through of 16. Okay. We select this face now to project geometry. All this F7. You see? Finish, and we apply face. of this only. Okay, there is another radius 3 here. I cannot use this corner round because this is after the corner round, so I apply another corner round of 3 for this edge. Okay, now we have to create these cuts, slots, 2 slots. Yes, dimensions are 5, 8, distance of 8 here, and 6 from the right with radius 2. Face, we project geometry this line and F7 to have all the picture. We create a slot, center to center, 8 on 2. I place it somewhere here to apply dimensions. 6, not 6, 5 is this, and 6 is from the line. Finish sketch, cut, not extrude, cut. Okay, then I apply a rectangular pattern of this last feature. Align with this direction at a distance of 8 plus 8. Okay, and now holes. The larger is this one, 40. Face, sketch, back, and hole. This is the center, the diameter is 40. Through all. Then 4 at 6.5. This is the face. I draw a line up 56 divided by 2. Finish sketch and hole in this point, diameter of 6.5. Okay, we apply circular pattern for this last hole about this axis, 4 holes. Okay, other holes are these 4, 8, 48, 68 and 19. Let's do this. We select this face with the X to the right. We draw a rectangle with dimension 68, tab 48, placed at 19 from the left and 8 from the bottom. 8. Finish sketch. Hole also 6.5 placed in these corners. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, this is inside, and this is aligned, as you can see here. This is not good. I know what happened. I used the same kind of bending like before at the flange. What is this feature? This is this one. Double click and we change the position, which must be this one, this one, yes. These two options, placement and position, must be selected here to have alignment between these two. Okay. Now let's see what about the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the volume is the new volume is this one, no matter what was before, because this is what we did here together. I apply the material, which is aluminum. And this is the part. This is projected in perspective and not orthographic. Now we can compare the two. There is no difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.